In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections in Framer. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean section, position and style it, and place an image inside it so your page looks organized and intentional. First, head to Framer. Once you're in the editor, look toward the top of the interface and click Layout. From the Layout options, choose Frame. A frame in Framer acts like a section container. It's where your content will live and how you'll control spacing and visual structure. Click and drag a new frame onto the page. As you drag, pay attention to the blue guides that help you snap to common margins and align with other elements. Drop the frame where you want the section to begin. With the frame selected, use the right-hand panel to adjust position. Nudge the X and Y values for precise placement, or simply drag the frame on the canvas if that feels faster. If you see it snapping unexpectedly, zoom in a bit for finer control. Next, set the size. You can type in exact width and height or drag the handles on the canvas. If you're designing a full width section, stretch the frame to the edges of your canvas so it feels anchored. For taller sections, increase the height to make room for your content. Now, move to styles. Choose a background color to clearly separate this section from the one above or below. Add a border radius for softer corners and a subtle shadow if you want depth. Keep it consistent with your design system so sections feel cohesive across the page. When you're ready to add imagery, click Layout again at the top and select Image. Click and drag an image onto the page, aiming to drop it inside the frame so the container highlights. In the Properties panel, click Choose Image, then select and open the file you want to use. Once it appears, resize and reposition it within the frame for the right balance, leaving enough breathing room so text or other elements have space to shine. And that's it. Your new section is in place, styled, and ready for content.